Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start BMW IX. Press and hold the brake pedal, then press the Start/Stop button once to boot the system and activate the drive-ready state. Wait for the instrument cluster to confirm readiness, check for any warning icons, and release the parking brake only when the vehicle displays a drive-ready message. Engage drive and gently accelerate, monitoring energy flow and range for a smooth electric start. In this video, I will show how to start BMW IX. Hold the key fob close to the center console if detection fails, or use the keyless start procedure shown in the manual. Check iDrive for auto start and preconditioning settings to save range and comfort before departure. Enable digital key on your phone for seamless access, and set preferred driving modes so the vehicle starts in your chosen configuration when you press Start/Stop. In this video, I will show how to start BMW IX. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless, and its mapping keeps your home tidy so you can focus on driving. It's a handy time saver for owners who appreciate tech that just works, and it pairs humorously with an electric lifestyle. You charge the car, let the robot handle the crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to start BMW IX. If the vehicle does not enter drive ready, check the instrument cluster for error codes and follow on-screen recovery steps. Try locking and unlocking the car or rebooting iDrive to resolve minor software glitches, then attempt the start sequence again. For persistent high-voltage warnings, charging faults, or safety lockouts, contact BMW roadside support to avoid risking battery or electrical system damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.